Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video session, I'm going to provide multiple choice question of chapter number 4, data and analysis. Question number 1 is, what is the process of examining data to draw conclusion called? Storage, data mining, data analysis, and interpretation. The correct option is data analysis. Question number 2, which of the following is not a type of data? Means not a type of data, that is structured, semi-structured, abstracted, unstructured. The correct option is abstracted is not a data type. Question number 3, what is structured data typically stored in? XML, JSON, and tables, Word document. The correct option is tables. Structured data is stored in form of tables. Which of following is a characteristics of unstructured data? Unstructured means organized in table, no. Predefined schema, no. Text heavy content, yes. D, fixed format, no. The correct option is text heavy content. Question number 5, what does data analysis help with? Making charts only, better decision making, designing websites, and writing code. The correct option is better decision making. The purpose of data analysis is used to take a better decision making. Which tool is commonly used for data analysis? Data analysis के लिए कौन सा tool use किया जाता है? Adobe Photoshop, Python, Notepad, Blender. The correct option is Python. Python is used to analyze the data. Which is common data visualization type? A pie chart, photogrid, sketch, and wireframe. Data visualization type, that is a pie chart. Correct option is A. What type of data includes number and quantities? That is qualitative, categorical, quantitative, and descriptive. The correct option is quantitative. Qualitative data includes amounts, ratings, color and name, and speed. That is, color and name is a type of qualitative data. A key use of data type in data science is making games, understanding meanings, defining format and operation, creating password. Data types in data science is used to define format and operation. Nominal data is a type of quantitative data, sequential data, categorical data, time series data. The correct option is categorical data. Ordinal data is measured in unit, ranked in order, not measurable, time dependent. The correct option is ranked in order. Ordinal data is ranked in order. Question number 13. Interval data has a true zero, categories, equal intervals, only text values. The correct option is equal intervals because interval data has equal intervals. Question number 14. Which of these has a true 0 point? Temperature in Celsius, height, customer satisfaction scale, and calendar years. The correct option is height. That is option B. Big data is typically described by 2VS, 3VS, 4CS, and 5TS. The correct option is 3B, 3VS, 3VS, which is not one of the 3VS of big data. Volume, variety, velocity, validity. Validity is not one of the 3VS of big data. Volume refers to number of formats, type of files, amount of data, and data errors. The correct option is amount of data. Volume refers to amount of data. Question number 18. Velocity in big data refers to speed of data generation, data weight, storage duration, number of users. The correct option is speed of data generation. Velocity in big data refers to speed of data generation. Big data is usually small in size, easy to process manually, real-time and large scale, stored in text format. The correct option is real-time and large scale. Question number 20. One of the biggest challenges of big data is availability, formatting, storage and processing, naming files. The big challenge is the storage and processing, because one of the biggest challenge of big data, because data is so much big. Which industry uses big data the most? Plumbing, education, retail and marketing, and carpentry. The correct option is retail and marketing. What kind of insights can data analysis provide? Visual patterns only, past and future trends, server locations, hardware spaces. Past and future trend is the correct option, that is insight for data analysis. Which format is common for unstructured data? Relational database, Excel, video, and CSV. The correct option is the video is unstructured data. What's the first step in analyzing the data? Storing, data cleaning, modeling, and graphic. The correct option is data cleaning is the first step of analyzing the data. What is used to explore relationship in data? Pie chart, box plot, scatter plot, resume. The correct option is scatter plot. That is option C. Data stored in rows and columns is called table format, pixel array, coded data, flowchart. The correct option is table format, because data is stored in rows and columns. This is the answer keys. You can refer all the questions according to this key. Challenge question number 1. These are two challenges questions. You have to give me answer in comment. Which is it difficult to analyze unstructured data compared to structured data? Option A is it is larger in file size. It contains no meaningful information. It lacks a predefined model or format. It is stored in outdated system. Challenging question number 2 is which best explain why velocity is a critical factor in big data analytics. Option A is because data is stored in physical location, because data must be processed as it arrives to extract timely insight, because storage media require high-speed read and write operation, because slow processing increase file sizes. These are the questions. Please provide the answer in the comment box And if you have any question or related query, please write me in comment. And please, if you like this my video, please share it with your friend. And Jazakallah khair.